Are you worried about websites using cookies to track you?
Honestly, I always accept them because I keep hoping they'll send me actual chocolate chip cookies in the mail one day. Still waiting.
She's waiting for snacks. Tell her what internet cookies actually do.
You look like an animal lover. Did you have a favorite pet growing up?
Oh my god, yes! My first dog, Mr. Snuffles. He was the best.
And just like that, she gave me the answer to her bank security question. Never give up info to strangers, folks. Comment what else you shouldn't have said.
So why do you keep clicking remind me later on the security update for 6 months?
Because they just do that to slow down my phone and drain the battery, so I have to buy the new iPhone. It's all a scam.
She thinks patching security holes is a scam. Developers, defend yourselves in the comments.
Be honest, is your password something stupid like password 123?
No way. Mine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Most people stop at 6, so the extra 2 numbers make it unhackable. I'm smart.
He's smart, guys. He added a 7 and an 8. How many milliseconds would it take to crack that?
Do you ever check your bank account while using free coffee shop Wi-Fi?
Yeah, all the time. It's safe because I had to ask the barista for the password to connect. If it has a password, it's secure.
If it has a password, it's secure. Wow. Cybersecurity experts, roast this logic in the comments.
Be honest. Why do you use incognito mode on your browser?
So the government and the FBI can't see what I'm searching for. It makes me totally invisible, like a ghost.
He thinks he's a ghost. ISPs, employers, and hackers, tell him the truth below.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how unhackable is your main password?
Oh, definitely a 10. I use my dog's name, but I'm super smart. I put a 1 at the end so no one can guess it.
A 1 at the end? She's a genius. Hackers, how long would it take to crack that? Let us know in the comments.
In cybersecurity, what is the main purpose of a firewall?
Is it like a literal wall of fire inside the server room so the hackers can't get past it without getting burned?
All right, experts, explain to her what a firewall actually does in the comments. Where do you think all your photos go when you save them to?
The cloud. Up there, obviously. They beam them up via satellite, right? That's why it doesn't work when it rains.
She thinks her selfies are literally in the sky. Someone please explain data centers in the comments.
So we're talking about digital safety today. Have you ever been worried about phishing?
Fishing? No, I don't even like seafood. I'm more of a pasta person, so I think I'm safe.
She thinks she's safe because she doesn't eat fish. Tell us your best tips to avoid actual phishing scams below.